Hello, welcome to McBoss Capital live stream here. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Monday, February 23rd, 2026. 9:24 a.m. Mountain Time, so it's past 11 a.m. Eastern Time. The market is actually down quite a bit, down over 1%, 1.2 on Nasdaq, 1.5 on Dow. S&P is down 1.1. Volume is much higher on Nasdaq and NYSE. So if we close here, we will have a distribution day. So that's not a good sign. On stocks on the move, we do have 20. Let me see how many stocks we have. We had 20 stocks earlier, so let's see here. We still have 20 stocks. And the low is at 59%. So from a growth stocks perspective, we are seeing volume buying some of these stocks here. So let me share my spreadsheet with you just to see. So I already put them on the spreadsheet, and you can see majority of them are in the gold area, the commodities area. So we can jump into that right away. Let's go to the gold price for a second. We'll look at index at the end. So here's gold price. It's jumping today. So it's breaking out actually from a trend line here. So that looks pretty good. So some of the stocks here we have AG. This is bouncing really nice right now, making new high. AGI. This one Alamos Gold also making new high. So all these gold stocks are really moving today. You have AU. Look at that one making new high. AUGO. There you go. They're all making new highs. So yeah, so that is one area that's doing well. We have OR, KGC here, WPM. There's TPL, that's the oil and gas area. So this is making a really strong move lately. Let's look at the US oil price. This one is also making new high this morning. So again, these areas are doing really well. Let me jump to silver for a second. This one is also bouncing back above all the short-term moving average, so this is looking good as well. So that's passing that one, PAS. Um, take a quick look at that one. Here you go, it's bouncing back on the right side pretty fast here. So that's one area that's doing well. Financial side, we have SII. Let's take a look at that one. This one's breaking out as well. Our traditional buy point, so that looks pretty good. Um, Again, these are only the ones that have high volume stocks on the move screen right now. So there may be more stocks. It's just that these are the ones. H row here. This one's pulling back from this morning, but it's been doing well. But again, biotech hasn't been as strong as it had been, a month ago. So same thing with financials. On the industrial side, we have Cohere. This electronic parts component making new high, holding really tight at the tie there, looking pretty sharp. ESLT, this is aerospace defense. This is also on the verge of breaking out, so that looks pretty good. And on the retail's consumer side, we have Cell. Let's look at that one. Cell here. This is it's pulling back a little bit, but it was trying to break out the trend line, like the short-term moving averages. And then we have Yum restaurant. This one is getting close. I mean, it's looking pretty good because it bounced off the 10-day, although there is a downward trend line there. So, yeah. We have GLW. This is actually industrial. I put it in the wrong place. This is like, Corning, right? This is probably one of the strongest stock, in the last month. Like, I mean, this is just ni trading nicely above the trend line, bottom channel line there. We do have Nvidia this morning moving as well. It's on higher volume. Let's see. It's already pushing back. Again, this stock has just been stuck, right, for a long time at this level. It just couldn't break through that. It's probably better to wait till they push through that before putting more weight on it. Here's Lumentum. It's still going, right? Let's look at some of the. This is fiber optic. Let's look at MU. Maybe this one is data storage. So that one hasn't moved as much today. Um, but they're not. Oh, this is Sanders actually moving. So they're still moving. The same two groups, data storage and fiber optics, still moving pretty strong. Um, let's go to the index right now. QQQ. Again, we came back to 10-day. The 10-day is sloping downward. It's not a significant slope, but still, it just shows that the index can push through no matter what. And it's been happening for like many weeks now, 4 weeks almost. So that is the problem right now. Now the market hasn't fumbled, meaning like they haven't really deteriorated much. So that's the good side. That's the plus side. But you never know, right? It could be just some news and things could explode. So just to be cautious about that. And then we have SPY. This one also pushing back. So again, same thing. This one the slope is also very little. So it's still hovering, near the lows, but nothing dangerous yet. But again, it could burst at any time, right? So just be careful. Dow here, Dow is looking a little bit weaker. It's now penetrating the 50-day, so that is a concern right there. Because the slope is also not that. It's actually steeper now. So that's something to watch out for. Let's go to Russell. Russell also falling pretty hard this morning. So yeah, like I mean, I don't like to see days like that because they become very dangerous. Because the next day it could, it's setting up for next day. If we close here, we're setting up for next day where it could pierce through significantly, easily. Um, and yeah, so I don't like seeing this type of move. But hey, it's been this kind of environment for a while now. Um, so yeah, so I'll be more cautious in my trades and not too crazy in terms of waiting and stuff if you want to trade. Thank you all for watching. Have a very good day. Bye now.